To the Spain Gibraltar channel. I'm in Guadaranque, which is part of San Roque, just outside of La Linea. And if you're a biker or you're from Gibraltar, of course, you probably know this, but the trail goes here, which is excellent. And I've just discovered this little bike repair station here, right in Guadaranque, right as soon as you come down past the factory and get to kind of the town part here. You have all the tools that you need if anything is wrong with your bike. And the trail is absolutely amazing. Awesome to take all the way up to San Roque. That's as far as I got today, but I love that this thing is here with all the tools. So if you're biking down this way, there's a little bike repair station for your needs. And there is an air hose, and it doesn't appear to be working that well, but it's still here. And it looks like if you just hook it to your bike tire and you'll get some air pressure, but I'm not going to try it.